Want to run your favorite Android apps and games on your PC with full keyboard and mouse support? It's 2026, and while there are many ways to do this, BlueStacks remains the fastest and most compatible way to get the full Google Play Store experience. In under 3 minutes, I'll show you how to set it up from scratch. Step 1. Open your web browser and head over to BlueStacks.com. You'll see the latest version, usually BlueStacks 5 or 10, optimized for the latest Windows updates. Click the download button. Once the installer finishes downloading, click to open it. When the installer pops up, click Install Now. If you want to put it on a specific drive, you can click Customize Installation. But the default is usually best. Pro tip: if it asks you to enable Hyper-V, go ahead and click Yes and let it restart your PC. This ensures the best performance on Windows 10 and 11. Once BlueStacks is open, you'll see the Google Play Store icon right on the home screen. Click it, click the Sign In button. You'll be prompted to enter your Google account details, just like you would on a new phone. Don't worry, this is a secure, official Google login interface. Once you're in, the entire library is at your fingertips. Just search for your favorite app in the search bar at the top, hit Install, and it will appear on your BlueStacks home screen instantly. That is literally all it takes to get the Play Store on your PC in 2026. If this worked for you, drop a like on the video and let me know in the comments which app you're installing first. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech guides. See ya in the next one.